Samsung phones provide several sound customization options, including the ability to turn off the keyboard typing sound. If you find the clicking noise distracting while sending messages, writing emails, or searching the web, you can disable it in less than a minute. The process is simple and works on most Samsung Galaxy devices. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Settings applications. Scroll through the menu until you find Sounds and Vibration, then tap to open it. This section lets you manage your ringtone, notification sounds, vibration settings, and other system audio controls. Now select System Sound or System Sound Vibration Control. Depending on your Samsung phone model and One UI version, the wording may be slightly different, but both options lead to the same place. Look for the Samsung keyboard setting in the list of system sounds. You'll notice a switch beside it. Turn the toggle off to disable the keyboard typing sound immediately. Once disabled, every key you press on the Samsung keyboard will be silent, making typing much more comfortable in quiet places. The best part is that this change only affects the keyboard sound. Your phone calls, alarms, media playback, and notification sounds will continue to work as usual. If you ever want to hear the typing sound again, simply return to the same settings page and enable the Samsung keyboard sound. Disabling keyboard sounds is a great way to reduce unnecessary noise, especially during meetings, classes, or while using your phone late at night. With just a few taps, you can enjoy a quieter and more enjoyable typing experience without changing any other important sound settings on your Samsung device.